welcome that we received yesterday. We were here yesterday. Kunda sobya mbitinisa munganyiri. Omukama numnywani wange muno.
Hangiriza kutamba.
Terba wenzeyi.
Ninkutabarutya ahabwe myaka 30 eyiwahitya omubukama kandi nyenda kubahityaho obutumwa kuruga wa chairman wa PLU General Muhoozi Kainerugaba ahabwa rukundo eyinira abantu batoro kandi nashabira omukama emigisha nawe nayongera hairaka ngo omukama tunje omugo.
Hangiriza kutamba.
Hangiriza mwebingwa.
Kandi nanye ninyongeraho ahiraka lya Queen Maza ngo nanye ninshaba ngo omukama atunje omugo.
Terba wenzeyi.
Nkamunywani wanje nanye ninkushaba omukama unyikirize nkushabe ngo Ruhanga atubasise tutunje omugo.
Terba wenzeyi.
Tinyine bingi nisima abantu batoro mwebare ukwisha omunamba mpango mwebare ukunda omukama mwebare ukunda culture yanyu neito nk'abanyankore twine akakwate munonga n'abatoro ntubakunda kandi ntusima obuhagizi bwa toro ahagati ya government ya NRM obumuri kugihereza nchikuru munonga nani nshaba munkirize twineho ba memba haba seki kandi abamwe nabone ba memba ba PLU aba bantu abakwija abanabo twizire nabo mukama kandi bona ni banywani bawe bayizire kubana iwe konka nani nshaba omunyoro Jonad na Adrin muje hano kataito mbazehe bigambo bitaito ono Jonad munyoro kuruga bunyoro kandi member wa PLU omukama unyikirize bakora mcheho kataito.
Hangiriza kutamba nkubasima nyona bale kwija kandi nkutangira abagenyi nywena nyondo omukahano waitu right honorable speaker, our first vice webale mno kwija omuka kandi mbairo nkulinzire n'okutangira nka vice wa Western Uganda nkusima inywena Toro Kingdom habo kunkoma omubwingi muno amazimako tukasinga kandi nkusima nekitebe ekya PLU ekiba headed by our chairman here and our MK, our brother okuba nibatusagika kandi okukabusinguzuni mwebale muno tujja kusanga ntwongeraho ekikaro kikaije omuka bairaba mutagenda gahara vice alomuka mwebale muno.
Terba kutamba.
Empako abori abachara muriyo amabara Adrin Kopsinja abori protocol observed omukama kurika Queen Mother webale gumobonire. You look so beautiful. We thank God for the gift of life and for protecting you and your family. And I'm the new national chairperson, Women's League. We all women are Form 7. Queen Mother, you also Form 7. Kanda banyoro, abatoro, mwebale kunda mzei. For this time, 100%. For PLU, we are also there. Thank you so much, and we wish you the best.
Terba kutamba.
Mwebare, itwe hanu twizire hamukago, the politics as such, but on a special note, I want to thank the Right Honorable Speaker for the love of your people, for the love of Uganda. I thank you so much. And omukama bano abasajja baine birabo noja twikiriza after Empango ntujja kubireta enti tujja kuletera enti omukama mwebare muno hangara omukama hangara toro
Turbawo Amara. Turbawo Iguriye. Turbawo Kasura Bahiga.
Thank you very much, Team Chairman and the big delegation from PLU. Thank you for coming to Toro, and thank you for loving the King and loving Toro. All of you are welcome, all the guests of the King on this 30th coronation anniversary of King Oyo. Wherever you're from, you're most welcome. We will be continuing with speeches. We'll not be able to translate every speech, but we hope you'll be able to pick what some of the members are saying, and tap your neighbor to do the translation for you. We want to do this as fast as possible. You're almost welcome. Would like to recognize, as we continue with the speeches, we have with us in the tents, we'll not recognize everybody, but we have Irene Birungi Atenyi, CEO of the Presidential Forum. She also works in State House. You're most welcome. We have former prime ministers of this kingdom. Atenyi Stephen Kaliba. I think I saw you somewhere. We saw former Deputy Prime Minister Amoti Tinka Stephen. You're most welcome. Former Minister Toro Kingdom and now Member of Parliament for Kiaka Central, Tom Bright Amoti. You're most welcome. We have former Minister and now Assistant RCC for Porto Tourism City, Nesta Larry. He's been working with protocol and moving around, trying to make sure that all of us are comfortable here. You're almost welcome. My colleague Wandera will announce the next speeches and we'll recognize more people.
Agutamba and the representative of the President, who is also Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament. We also have our strong and powerful sponsor, MTN Uganda, led by the CEO, Sylvia Mulinge. Please, if you can step forward and just wave to His Majesty. You did a wonderful job for our mobilization through Amasaza. And Haraho. And Haraho. We also have Honorable Tomu Butime Atenyi, Minister of Tourism. We have Mr. Emmanuel Katongole, Chairperson PCF.
Honorable Tomu Butime, we appreciate the support and cooperation and collaboration you're having with the Uganda Tourism Board in supporting not only the kingdom, but also other activities in the Toro region and promoting tourism in the country. Thank you very much.
We have Nyenda Fenas, UTB Marketing Manager, Ian Romanyika, Noble Group. We have Riaz Vivian, Minister of Tourism, as a Commissioner. We have Honorable Linda Irene Mugisa, Woman MP for Porto City. Honorable Tom Brighter Moti, MP Chiaka Central. Honorable Baherere Sylvia, Woman MP Kamwenge. Honorable Linus MP Kibanda North. We have Honorable Ruhunda Alex, MP for Porto Central. We have Honorable Kunhira Faithfilo, Woman MP Kienjojo. And we also have Honorable Stephen. I'm sorry, I might not pronounce it. Kajwenje.
No. Yes. He's part of the
MP
team
of Bukanga.
Stephen Kangwaje.
Stephen Kangwaje, right?
Yes.
Munyikirize Agutamba. Abamasaza mwoleke ngumusemerirwe kwika hampango y'omurundu gwa 30 kandi gunu guba murwa abokuba hampango kakuba kitakorwa kibakizoka kuba habwobwire abamasaza abakurasi abakuru b'enganda abagomborozi abisaazi tujwamburure hamwe twena abemiri nywena mutasigarayo habwobwire bakuru b'enganda mugarukiraho mutahika hehi mutahingura hamusanga abo babanyoro bomukama turaba musakika
turaba iguriyera turaba kasura banyunya ogunda gutamba kagimo habtamba.
For our international guests and those not from Toro, these are chiefs, starting with those at counties, sub-counties, going all the way down. They represent the kingdom.
Kino butakuba tutakikora hano nikija kuba agutamunyikirize ba members of parliament bona baije baswagire ba members of parliament inywena nimbasaba abarundi ba politicians inywena habwobwire mu kikoro mu bwangu nkabantu abajwambwire abarukwetegekera general.
As the political leaders come, let's recognize the ministers. We've just been joined by the Honorable Minister for Agriculture, also Member of Parliament, Kabale County, the Honorable Frank Tumwebaze.
Our politicians in
Frank, you're most welcome. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your support.
Nisaba ba politician hatasigarayo nomu abarukunihira na abaine kika inywena mutasigarayo mwije muswagire tomanya.
We have former members of parliament. I saw some of you there. Please come through. Some of the flag bearers, come through. Aspirants.
Yeah. Abukuba kakuba turagamba kubarangi nywena obuturagamba kubarangi nywena omwoma hano turaraho mwije mwerwaneho mabone garukira abaseja abo bona agutamba abo bona abajo mabone gawo bokusabira ekiba kujyamu Yudatadewo mutonganizi wabasobirwe.
Can I former minister wa information?
Omugisa mwatunga, we have our Lord Bishops here barabahondeze Sara.
Let us also recognize the ministers. Thank you for joining us. The Honorable Minister of Finance, the Honorable Matia Kasaija. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us at this 30th coronation anniversary of His Majesty King Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru.
Bona bezira kutam na Honorable Kasaija dire. Turbawa kutam.
Munyikirize nsabe Right Honorable Aboli Nyakake hamna Right Honorable Henry Basalizarali to step forward kandi abamyoka bomuhikirwa obarkwija organizing committee hampangenu inyuna nubabasaba kwija mukabeteraniza amagatu inywena ntubasaba kweteranizaho abamyoka bomuhikirwa.
Our deputy prime ministers or deputy Bahikirwa are going to give us the next speech, but as they come, for our visitors, the coronation celebration is a big celebration that doesn't happen only on this day. Today is the finale. It's the crowning, the icing on the cake. But we started some time back. We celebrate in all the counties of the kingdom. We had the football tournament. We do medical camps, and everybody you see here has been a long celebration that ran. Some of you were able to witness what happened here yesterday, which is the actual cultural rituals of celebrating the coronation anniversary. And today, the king gathers all his subjects, visitors, and everybody to come and join him in a public celebration. And to the people of Toro, they don't need invitations. All the people of Toro, they just come and attend because this is their function. And the kingdom is about the people. You're all most welcome.
Mukama owekitinisa akiki nyeno mukama omjera bateve akiki nomukonyezi waboli omjera msuga akiki speaker wetu Ageihangwe Anit Amoti minister wetu Atenyi minister wetu Byensimbi Matia Kasaija na minister wetu webyobulimi Frank mkitinisa kyanyu abantu inywena mkitinisa byanyu omikirwa aino rubazo aija kubatangira rukira abasaijo mukama